So I talked a little bit earlier about, a vendor partnership, and I would say the vendor partner that I'm gonna talk about here is Optimity, and Jane is sitting over here in the audience. But we had a Get Fit program that we managed in-house. It involved members calling in the number of steps they did, or miles they walked, or mailing us pieces of paper, or emailing us. It was a very manual, time-consuming, but very well utilized program for our members. And as we thought about how do we automate this and make this efficient for our members as well as for us, we started to investigate a number of vendors. And as we looked at the landscape, Optimity came to us, and when we sat down and talked to them, the alignment was just kind of perfect. They look at their participants as members. Their focus is on the community and the planet. So their philosophy was very aligned to the fraternal philosophy that we all espouse. And it really was just like a natural fit for us. So the program was very manual, like I said. Their solution is really industry leading in the sense that they're using behavioral science, and they gamify the app. So think about it as an app, like not an exercise app, but a life app. So it's not only about exercise, there's mental health components to it, financial components to it. And the key thing here is it's a way to engage your members. And it's you're incentivizing your members to engage in different activities, and they get rewarded for that. And those rewards can take the form of gift cards, it can take the form of donations to charities, again, in alignment with what we do every day. And the other piece of this is that the data that they gather on the members is something that is ours, and at some point could be utilized in how we think about underwriting and other things. We don't know what that's going to be yet, but think about it, it is our data, so we're tracking and we know what our members are doing. So it's been a great program, and so far the program has been extremely successful. Our average use is 60% higher. 54% of the members that are participating in the program have taken at least one of the challenges, which means they're engaged. The other piece of this is that all wearables are connectable to Optimity. And so who doesn't know someone that doesn't have a Fitbit or an iWatch or some sort of wearable device? Even like my 85-year-old mother has one. So, people are using them, and it's a super easy way to create a connection with a member. And 33% of our members have redeemed their points, and we're really seeing great success with it. Yeah.
I'm wondering, do you provide it as a member benefit, or are you just encouraging? You do provide it.
Yeah, and we also provide it as an employee benefit. Yeah. So it just goes to kind of creating those connections, and partnering with them was super easy. Implementing was super easy, and again, they're very interested in the fraternal space because of the alignment of philosophy. And so, I think there's a way to work together on this, and they're a fantastic partner that I would highly recommend for those of you that are thinking about different ways to engage members.